kumanta ng next song natin.
Wow, exciting!
Ready na ba kayo?
Here are the Academia Girls!
Pero hold yan, ha?
Academia Girls!
Next song, okay, sige. Okay, first song, please. Diretso, ha? After the first song, feel, and then second song. Huwag nyo lang muna ito, kasi may Teacher Kichi pa kayo, so I just need to hear your diction.
First song muna. The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that.
You're the.
I'm not the kind of girl.
The, ang rinig ko ba?
I'm not the kind of girl.
The, okay, doon na sa
The kind of girl.
Not the. Ready, and go.
I'm na lang daw. I'm not the. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh, wow. It's not the things you do that tease and hurt me bad, but it's the way you do the things you do to me. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just girl. Oy, ano ba yan? Mas mapais.
Go. Doon lang.
That's every time. I'm not tapos every time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. Oh, no. Every time that I get the feeling, you give me something to believe in. Every time that I get you near me, I know the way that I want it to be. That you know I'm gonna take my chance now. I'm gonna make it happen somehow. And you know I can take the pressure. Moments paid for a lifetime pleasure. The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. Number one. Number one. The tide is high. Thank you so much. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Wow, diba? Girl power kami tonight. I think girls talagang number one. Do you agree, girls? Siyempre naman. Especially sa academy, di ba tayo pinakamagaling magluto at saka maglinis?
Stop muna kayo dyan, girls. Di naman sa kinakintindihan.
I will use the time whenever I can put it na maasikaso ko yun. Okay, now we have the time because now you're less. Okay, so ito nga yung magandang pagkakataon na, and as time goes by, I'll have more time for that individual check-up. Okay, so this is what your objective should all be. Your objective should be to stay here the longest. That is your target. Kaya dapat talagang lagi yung performance nyo bukas, top form. There should be no negative attitude about, naku, baka hindi. No, top form. Kaya kung laging sinasabi, yan ang objective natin eh. So that you are equipped to perform the best that you can. Okay? Dapat hindi natin narinig yung judges, ay, ba't ganun ngayon? Hindi gaya nung last week. Or bakit yon? There should be no excuse at this point. May pagkakataan na kayo eh, ma-assimilate. Ngayon, ang gusto ko ma-drive na point, but you're not complete, but anyway, I'll say it while you're here, since hindi pa tayo nakakaumpisa, is, ang swerte-swerte nyo. Maraming nasa labas na, nasa industriya na, nasikat na, that did not get this training. Alam mo, ang swerte nyo. Kaya if you think, the longer you wanna stay here,